Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Solana wallet address on HTX. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your HTX application. Once you have logged into your HTX account, you need to click on assets at the bottom right corner. Once you will be landed on this screen, you need to click on deposit option. From this list of currencies, you need to search for SOL Solana and simply select Solana coin. Now you need to choose a network, so simply choose Solana network and always make sure to select same network on the receiving side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. Click on Solana and here you can see your Solana wallet address along with the QR code. Simply tap on copy address and you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find Solana wallet address on HTX. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for